going on, everyone? Welcome back to a video. So, first thing we're gonna do today, high cool and max. Yes, sir. Let that puppy start cooling the shop down. Obviously, you saw in yesterday's video we were supposed to go get dry ice and everything at Publix, but the Publix that we stopped at didn't have it. So we're gonna go check another Publix, see if they have some. If so, dope. We can get the dry ice, get all the sound deadening and everything out of this car, finish cutting it up, and then go from there. And then, yeah. Why is there always something? Every time I'm recording, something lands on my arm, bro. I feel like it's a spider crawling on me or something. I don't like that. I don't like it, alright? Yeah. So we gotta do that. We're gonna do some work on the Accord. Gotta move the other cord over here. And I think we're gonna do a couple of things on the Mustang as well. So, jam-packed day, jam-packed day. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. Hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video as well. So, smash that like button, sub to the channel if you're not yet subbed. Let's keep pushing. Spicy? No? They didn't do it enough? Alright guys, so we're back at the shop. We went to Publix and got some dry ice. And while we're there, we're like, yo, let's get some pop subs, bro. So that's what we got. AC's crying. It's not freezing cold or like ice cold in here, but it's definitely cool in here. And I'm more than happy with that. And obviously, it'll get cooler as it has to cool more down, you know. We were only going maybe an hour, so didn't get a lot of time to cool such a big area. But it's enough for us to sit here and eat and not sweat. So we're gonna go ahead and eat our subs and get to it. All right, so I went ahead and pulled a chair out of it. But right now we're gonna get everything out the car that we can. He's gonna vacuum all that over there out, the rest of the glass and stuff. And then we'll go ahead and start doing some dry icing in this baby and get all that sound deadening out and go from there. And then after that, I might see if I can just weld a bar across and run harnesses that way, so at least I have a seatbelt for the track. And then, yeah, go forward from there. But main objective is we want to get the sound deadening out of this and try and get a harness bar or something in this thing. And then we'll probably get the other door cut as well. All right, so we got it all vacuumed out and everything. You know, we got that dry ice. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the bag and put a couple pieces down everywhere and show homie how dry ice works.
That's right.
So let's get it. Alright guys, so I got the dry ice broken up and just sitting around. We're just gonna let it sit around and we'll move it here and there. If you pay attention closely, you'll hear the sound deadening hardening, and then it's literally just gonna come right off. Like it's gonna sound like popping and cracking sounds.
I can hear it.
Yeah.
If there was any superpower in the world, I wish I could like create ice on the spot. Like Mr. Ice or whatever his name is. Off Disney.
Alright guys, so we got a majority of that side done. We're still working on around the edges. And then we got this portion here, still working on obviously the rest. But progress. For some reason I thought this method was a lot faster. I mean, it's the fastest method that I can think of. But I thought it was a faster process than what it is. But it is what it is. We'll get it done. Probably really bought a lot less dry ice than we needed. Yeah, I think we bought what, 7 pounds?
7 pounds.
So maybe we're gonna have to get more. So yeah, because we still gotta finish this side all up here. This piece up through here. Then we got on the tunnels on both sides of the transmission tunnel. We got some around the back pieces and stuff. But we'll manage with what we got. AC's working. Dry ice is working better. But yeah, we're just gonna keep pushing, guys. I hope you guys are excited for us. You know, we're pushing to get this core done, and we're not sleeping. We're daily uploading, and we're gonna get as far as we can throughout the week while Daniel's here on his car and my car. How's it going in there?
It's hot. But besides that, it's going too smooth.
This side's done. We got that back side done. He's working on this here now. And then go from there. Move up to that front over there. Definitely gonna need dry ice because that's all we left. It just evaporated. Yep, it's coming apart. That's all that matters. So I'm gonna keep tracking away on that, get as far as we can, and then I don't know if we're gonna go get more dry ice today or we'll go some other time to get it. But yeah, progress is progress. That's what matters. Man, I'm choking my saliva. Alright guys, so we're gonna let that little bit of dry ice that we have in there work its magic on that one side. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting one of the Lexan quarters ready to be installed. So I went ahead and traced a line roughly where I want to cut, and then we can work our way down and all that stuff. So yeah, not sure how well it's gonna come out, but I'm just gonna go ahead and follow that line there and go from there. Trim it a little more. I just want to go little by little, you know?
Yeah.
For the most part, though, that's how I look with some Lexan. And around the corner here. So, clean up all these rough edges. You know what I'm saying? Where it looks like doo-doo. But definitely got to clean some more. I just wanted to go little by little because I can't really put it back on, but we take it off.
Yeah.
So, yep.
Time to shave it down some.
Little bit more, little bit more. Alright guys, so we got the Lexan window trimmed up and everything. I'm not sure if I showed it, but I will now. So there's the Lexan window trimmed up and everything and fitted. You know? So obviously it's got to be a little, I got to line it up more, but for the most part that's what it's going to be like right there, you know? So Daniel went ahead and taped it up. We're going to wash her down real quick. Set it with some paint. Take some stickers off of it. And then we'll slap a CDG sticker on there. And then, yeah, do the same for the other side. So let's get this painted and get installed. Alright, so we'll go ahead and let that puppy dry. And while that's drying, I want to go ahead and, where this is all bare metal, I I'll wipe this down and paint that black as well. All right, so got this painted all black. Still a little tacky. So let that sit for a little bit. And I just went ahead and painted the whole entire quarters black. I wasn't going to, but I figured it'll look better. We'll do the quarters black and then we'll leave the doors clear and stuff like that probably. But yeah. Just gotta let all this dry and go from there, I guess, to install it. What's the brake? Pump the brake. So we'll go from there. We'll start working on the other side, getting prepped. Yeah. So while that's drying, we'll go ahead and get the other side ready and prepped. I had to go into that room to get the impact and all the stuff that I need to put it on. I had to get the gun, the socket, and self tappers and stuff. And I'm covered in sweat already from being in there for 20 seconds. But all right, we're gonna get everything we need to get. Well, we're gonna start getting the other side prepped and ready to be. Oh, I can't talk. We're gonna go ahead and get the other side clean, prepped, and ready to get the other Lexan window installed on that side. All right, guys. So I've been doing this, but it's so smoky we had to open the door. Trying to get all this out. Whew. But we got this much here left, and then we'll take the vacuum all this up, and then we'll wipe it down and all that stuff, and then from there we can go ahead and get the other quarter window fitted for this, you know. So look at that. Ooh, yeah, such a dirty job. But this thing is filthy. What are you thinking?
Progress.
Yes, sir. All right, guys. So that side is done. This is all painted. Got it all set up there. Got the impact self toppers. Gonna go ahead and just put some holes in this thing. Hold the camera if you can, sir.
I need you to do that noise again for me.
Yeah. Just taking a second to look at that, y'all. How's it looking? We got Lexan windows, boy.
Look all very linear too.
I'm just existing holes, really. I'll put one up in here somewhere. Yes, sir. Look at that, y'all. We got a Lexan quarter window on the Accord. And I got stuff in my shoes. What y'all think? So what's up? Ideally, this isn't the hardware I would want to use, but it's what I got and stuff. And I really just want to get them installed and everything and fit it up. Most likely going to be taking them back off when we go to paint the car, but at least they're on the car and everything. I really want to see my car look with Lexan windows. So yo, smash that like button, yo.
Making moves.
Yes, sir, we're making moves. But no more sleeping, guys. So don't be sleeping on that like button and the sub button, you know. Hit it, hit it, hit it. So the other side. All right, guys, so we got the line marked where we're pretty much gonna cut this one, and then we can go ahead and get it painted and install. Like, all right, so That is all cut where it needs to be. Driver's side is on, installed, painted, and everything. And then over here on the passenger side, we got this painted as well. We're gonna go ahead and let that dry. And while that's drying, I'm going to go ahead and paint this quarter and let it sit. Once that dries, get that baby installed, and then we got Lexan quarters on the Accord. So yeah, let's get it. Yeah. All right, guys. So Franco's gonna go ahead and paint this one.
Anytime that you think I'm doing shit job, take one.
Try and make straight lines. Yep, like that. And then don't hold it so far forward the can. Like more like the back got to be more down. Like this. Yeah, see, like look, hold it like this. You know what I mean? Holding it like this, you're gonna get air. Then it gets little runs like that. So you just hold it like this and straight across. See what I'm saying? Alrighty then. Kind of ran out of some, you know, self-tappers, but for the most part, the glass is on there, or the Lexan is on there, not the glass. Lexan's on there. I'm alright with that. I'm happy with that. I might have to buy more, obviously, because we still gotta do the back window and the doors. So, yeah. And I'm gonna get a little longer ones, and then I'll replace these with longer ones, because I feel like they're just too short, you know? So, yeah. Look at that, boy. Who got some Lexan windows on that thing? I'm excited. But I think this is going to be an ending point for the video. I did want to get this other door cut and finish cutting this driver one too. The dry ice took a little longer than I was expecting. We did kind of get a late start on the day because I was up late editing yesterday's video. So, yeah. But we still made progress, guys. Still made progress. We got all the stuff cleaned up. Most of the sound deadening out. We'll get more tomorrow. Finish that up. We got Lexan windows in the car. We're making huge, huge progress. And step forward. That's it. Progress is progress. And that's all we're here for, to make progress on this car. And get a step closer to being at the dyno, to the track. We do have a turbo on the way already. Hopefully that'll be here this weekend. Get that slapped on the car, get the car running and everything again, then we can get it tuned and all that stuff. Yeah. I'm excited. Daniel! Daniel, son! What do you think?
It's good.
Progress is good?
Yes, a lot of progress today.
So,
As hot today, but still.
AC coming in clutch, boy. They're definitely going to get some longer Tapcons. Or self-tappers, I mean, whatever. Because these are short ones. So, yeah! But, alright guys. That's going to be the end of this video. So if you did like this video, please smash that like button. If you are enjoying the content and want to see more, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. It means the world to me. But, Daniel, I guess I'll catch you in the next one. So please like, comment, subscribe, share. Hit that notification button so y'all get notified when we post. And Daniel, what will happen now?
Peace.
We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.